Hi, I'm Fiddlin' Ray. Today I'm going to talk to you about a tune called Bill Cheatham. This is one of my favorites. I never really get tired of playing this tune. Even when I'm really super sick of playing this tune, I start playing it and I say, yeah, I like this. So hopefully you enjoy it as much as I do. I'll play it once through, then I'll switch the camera over, and I'll break it up, phrase by phrase. All right. So, handy dandy hand cam is on. So this tune is 2 parts long. And this is the first phrase of the first part. Play that again. Here's the second phrase. Okay, I'll play that again. Good. Then we're on to the third phrase. Now the third phrase is very similar to the first phrase, but it's going to be 2 notes different. Right? Those last 2 notes are a little bit different. It goes up instead of down. As opposed to... So here's phrase 3 again without any confusion. And then here's the fourth phrase. Right? And those last 2 notes are really important because that's a second ending. We're going to loop back to the first part. Right? So if we hear, I'm just going to play phrase 4 into phrase 1. Did you hear how that worked? So here's phrase 1. I'll spell it out. E, C, 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 B, A, C, B, A, F, E. And then, second phrase, D, 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 F, E, D, F, E, D, C, A. Phrase 3, E, C, 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 B, A, C, B, A, B, C. And the fourth phrase, D, C, D, E, F, G, A, F, E, C, B, C, A. And the second time, instead of playing, we're going to play C, D, because that's going to take us to the second part. So let me play all of that for you. So this is the first part both times. And that takes us to the second part. So that's the first phrase of the second part. So E, F, G, E, F, G, A, A. Here's that whole phrase again. Good. Here's the fourth phrase. Play that again. I said the fourth phrase. It's not the fourth phrase. That was the second phrase. Or it's actually the last two notes of that, because again, we're going to go back to that E string next. So second phrase without any confusion. Then the third phrase, again, like the first part, is very similar to the first phrase of part to part. So third phrase of the second part is... And once again, the last part, those last two notes are a little different because it's going to take us to the next phrase. So third phrase, once again. And here's the fourth phrase. We end that phrase with the C, D, because what happens at the end of that part, we repeat. So again, I'll do like I did before. I'm going to play the fourth phrase through the repeat into the first phrase of the second part. Hopefully you see how that worked. I'm going to play the whole B part for you now, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to loop back to the very top of the tune, and I'll play the whole thing for you. So hopefully that'll make sense to you, and hopefully at the end of it, you might have to stop it and start it and rewind, and that's just the process. But hopefully at the end of this, you know Bill Cheatham, and you can take it to your local jam session. I'm Fiddlin' Ray. Thanks for joining me at the Fiddle Dojo. Please subscribe. If you have any questions or think I could do anything better, leave a comment. I'll see you next time.